You're now ready for the next step: Bluetooth pairing and smartphone connectivity through wireless Apple CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. Before we start, please remember that setting up a new Bluetooth device cannot be done while the vehicle is in motion. Immediately after you've linked your Toyota app profile to your vehicle, the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen will automatically prompt you to begin Bluetooth setup. Tap Yes. If you do not see the prompt, tap the gear icon to view driver settings. From here, tap Bluetooth and Devices. Next, check that Bluetooth has been enabled on your smartphone. Tap Search for Devices and select your smartphone from the list of available devices found. Now, from your smartphone's Bluetooth settings, find and select your vehicle from the list of available devices. The touchscreen and your smartphone should both show the same 6-digit code. If the numbers match, tap Pair on your smartphone and OK on the touchscreen to create the connection. Your smartphone will now ask if you'd like to sync your contacts and favorites. Tap Allow to start the sync. After your smartphone is connected to your vehicle via Bluetooth, the system will ask if you'd like to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply tap Yes on the touchscreen, then follow any prompts that may be displayed on your smartphone, and eligible apps will be mirrored on your touchscreen. To exit Apple CarPlay, tap the Toyota app icon from the Apple CarPlay dashboard, which will return you to the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. From here, you can tap the feature you want to access. Switching back to Apple CarPlay is just as easy. Simply tap the Apple CarPlay icon in the top left corner to return. The process for Android users is the same. Tap the Toyota app icon on the Android Auto interface to be brought back to the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. Just as with Apple CarPlay, you can return to Android Auto by tapping the icon in the top left corner of the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. After setting up Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen should display the programs shown when you last turned off your vehicle. For instance, if you were playing Apple CarPlay on your last trip and you begin your next trip with your smartphone on and Bluetooth enabled, the vehicle should default to displaying Apple CarPlay. If a Bluetooth connection is interrupted, you may need to reselect your connection. To do so, tap the gear icon from the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen, select Bluetooth and Devices, and tap the device you wish to connect. Additionally, from here, you can adjust the settings for the Bluetooth connection for any smartphone device. If you prefer using the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen to make hands-free calls and stream audio, select Use for Phone. If you prefer a more integrated experience, giving you access to various smartphone apps like messaging, navigation, and streaming services, select Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.